Is the war in Ukraine spreading to Moldova? It was announced that there were explosions in a settlement near the Ukrainian border in the Transnistria region of Moldova. According to the press center of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of the so-called separatist administration in Transnistria, 4 explosions occurred last night near the village of Voronkovo in the former airbase. It was stated in the statement that the first 2 explosions were made with an unmanned aerial vehicle, and that explosions took place an hour later after this incident. No casualties or injuries were reported in the explosion. It was stated that there was a pit with a diameter of 25 centimeters and a depth of 1 meter in the place where the bomb fell, and the investigation into the explosion continues. In the statement, it was reminded that a similar attack was carried out around the village of Voronkovo on the 5th of May. The Ministry of State Security building in the so-called capital of Transnistria, Tiraspol, was attacked with a rocket launcher on April 25. Later, there were explosions in the antenna towers that provided the radio broadcasts. After Moldova declared its independence from the Soviet Union in 1991, Transnistria, on the east bank of the Dniester River, also declared its independence unilaterally. The armed conflicts that started between Moldova and Transnistria after the declaration of independence ended with a ceasefire on the 22nd of July 1992. It is stated that Russia, which has placed its military units in Transnistria, transfers millions of dollars every year to support the region.